Well, the snow is piling up outside and our trip is right around the corner, which means we've got some work to do. As any sailor will tell you, a project hasn't really started until you've completely taken over the floor.
So I'm using a fid.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to pass this line inside the core of itself.
Oh,
so this
okay.
little device. I just thread the line onto it, and it's super slippery, so it slides easily. Take this end, tuck it right into the fid.
And since it's a woven sort of thing, it compresses onto that fid quite a bit.
Totally. And I don't want to go too far because then my tail ends are too short. And now it slides easily inside of itself.
Oh, wow.
Now I'm going to tie a stopper knot here that I can then pass through, and it'll hold really tight. This knot's really tricky to get. It's called a diamond knot, in part because you have that diamond middle right there.
Oh.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep tightening this up a little bit, slowly by piece, to get it down to that base. And now I just zip that around and up through, and that one around the back and up through. And now we just have to cinch it down, but it's a symmetrical, chunky, big, thick knot. You can see I'm just kind of inching it tighter. You see it gives kind of a decorative, symmetrical, chunky knot.
Nice.
Now, when I need to attach something, I pull that out a little bit, pass the knot through the hole, cinch it back down.
Oh, very cool.
And I would hang my full body weight on that little piece of Dyneema and that knot.
What are you working on there?
I'm putting this little protector on the back, on the strap, so that silicone mask strap
doesn't
catch in my hair.
There you go.
So for fishing, instead of taking a rod and reel, we just want to troll a line off the back of the boat. The way we're going to do that is I'm going to start with one of these big trolling lures.
Okay.
And that's going to connect to a big heavy weight that I don't have yet. The weight is then going to connect to this big monster snap swivel.
Okay.
And then I've wrapped 50 yards of 100-pound line on my reel, which is called a Cuban Yo-Yo. And then the other end of that line is going to connect to one of the soft shackles that I made. Like this. Over the soft shackle, back into the shackle. The soft shackle protects the line because it's nice, soft. There's nothing to snag or to cut the fishing line.
Okay.
Then I've got 2 heavy-duty bungee cords. You really got to pull. And then a final soft shackle that I'll connect somewhere to the structure of the boat. When we're doing this, we'll troll that lure 150 yards behind us, or 150 feet behind us. Weight will keep it down. If a fish should take it, the bungee cord will give some stretch, set the hook, and hold on to the fish till I get the line with a pair of gloves and wrap my Cuban Yo-Yo to take the fish in.
Nice. Shackles, done. Fishing gear, ready. Goggles, clear. Now it's time to get it all in the bag. I'll see you in the packing video.